Hello everyone, my name is Unjuk. You can call me Sam, and today I will make a video about pronouncing the conversation between the frontliner and the guest, and also reading a report. Okay, let's start from the conversation first. Good morning, welcome to the WASD company. How may I assist you, sir? Good morning. I would like to meet the service manager, Mr. Ruslan. Do you have an appointment, sir? No, not yet. I was just passing by this company. Then remember that I need to give something to Mr. Ruslan. May I have your name, sir? Sure. My name is John. If you say my name, he surely will come to meet me. Alright, Mr. John. Please wait a moment. Alright. After for a while. Thanks for waiting, Mr. John. I am sorry. Mr. Ruslan is currently out of his office. Would you like to leave a message for him? Oh, I see. Please, just give this document to him. I will call him later. Alright, sir. Is there anything I can do for you? No, thank you. Alright. Thanks for coming to our company, sir. I hope you have a great day. Okay. Next, I will read the report. For information, the report is not related with the conversation before. So here we go. Good evening, Mr. John. As a service manager, here are the weekly service documents you requested for. This includes the number of our customers and also the product sales graph. Please correct this document. If there are errors or revision, please tell me immediately. Thanks for your attention. Sincerely, from Billy. Okay. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.